सुप्रभातं छात्राः सर्वेभ्यः शुभस्वागतं नवम्यां कक्षायाम्। अद्य वयं नवमी कक्षायां नूतनस्य पाठस्य आरम्भं कुर्मः। नूतनः पाठः अस्ति भ्रान्तो बालः। नूतनः पाठः अस्ति भ्रान्तो बालः। पाठस्य नाम भ्रान्तः बालः। बालः भ्रान्तः। चञ्चलत्वं बाल्यस्य लक्षणं भवति। Fickleness is common in the childhood, but many of we are having very fickleness even after growth. That is a different issue, but generally the boys will be very fickle. So we always persuade them to make something good. Otherwise, so the laziness and the bad things in the society easily drag them. To make them understand the real values in the society is very difficult. Always these. So you need a motivation to do something good, but we can easily follow something bad. So for that, no need of any motivation. That's what we learn from this lesson. So very small lesson, and good news for all of you is that the CBSE has reduced the syllabus for 9th class. Now we have got only 7 chapters, and out of them 3 are already completed. I hope this is the 4th one we are going to complete. This is the 6th lesson. This is the next lesson. So we are going to complete it. Please follow thoroughly. And today onwards I will be going para by para, and in that para we will first learn the meaning, situation, and later I will cover the grammar points too. So that's why throughout the class be alert, be with pen and paper. So don't listen the story. More than story, grammar points are very important to make you to understand better. Here the introduction comes in Hindi. As you know, षष्ठः पाठः भ्रान्तो बालः। प्रस्तुत पाठ संस्कृत प्रौढ़ पाठावली नामक ग्रंथ से संपादित कर लिया गया है। इस कथा में एक ऐसे बालक का चित्रण है जिसका मन अध्ययन की अपेक्षा खेल कूद में लगा रहता है। यहाँ तक कि वह खेलने के लिए पशु पक्षियों तक का आह्वान करता है, किंतु कोई उसके साथ खेलने के लिए तैयार नहीं होता। इससे वह बहुत निराश होता है। अंततः उसे बोध होता है कि सभी अपने अपने कार्यों में व्यस्त है, केवल वही बिना किसी काम के इधर उधर घूमता रहा है। वह निश्चय करता है कि अब व्यर्थ में समय गंवाना छोड़कर अपना कार्य करेगा। That means the present lesson is taken from Samskrita Praudha Pathavali. Samskrita Praudha Pathavali is a well-known novel in Sanskrit. This story is taken from this. In this lesson, as we all of we know that Shankaracharya also told, Balastavat Krida Saktaha. Boys are always interested in playing. So in this story, we are having a story of a boy who was always interested in playing games rather than studies. So he was so much fascinated towards the games that when his friends refused to come along with him to play, he requests the birds and animals to play along with him. Even the birds and animals were not ready to play with him. Then he realizes in the society everybody is busy with his own work. I am the only person who doesn't have any work and wasting the time here. So after getting this realization, he thinks that I also must do my own job. Minding my own job is the best thing in this world. He understands, then he starts studying. So as my dear friends, as all of you know that best realization is self-realization. Once you get self-realization, nobody can stop you. That's why never expect somebody to motivate you. You motivate yourself, because it is your life, not somebody's. Please live your own life. Understand the lessons from this lesson. धन्यवादाः. अद्य वयं पाठं पठामः. भ्रान्तो बालः. नवमी कक्षा शेमुषी पाठ्यपुस्तकं. पाठस्य नाम भ्रान्तो बालः. भ्रान्तः कश्चन बालः पाठशालागमनवेलायां क्रीडितुं निर्जगाम. किन्तु तेन सह केलिभिः कालं क्षेप्तुं तदा कोऽपि न वयस्येषु उपलभ्यमान आसीत्. यतस्ते सर्वेपि पूर्वदिनपाठान् स्मृत्वा विद्यालयगमनाय त्वरमाणाः बभूवुः. तन्द्रालुर्बालो लज्जया तेषां दृष्टिपथमपि परिहरन् एकाकी किमप्युद्यानं प्राविवेश. स चिन्तयामास, विरमन्त्येते वराकाः पुस्तकदासाः. अहं पुनरात्मानं विनोदयिष्यामि, ननु भूयो द्रक्ष्यामि क्रुद्धस्य उपाध्यायस्य मुखं. सन्त्वेते निष्कुटवासिनो एव प्राणिनो मम वयस्याः इति. भ्रान्तः कश्चन बालः पाठशाला गमनवेलायां क्रीडितुं निर्जगाम. भ्रान्तः. So I always tell you that this society is full of distractions. So you have to concentrate. Otherwise, you have got plenty of distractions in this society. Distracted, Bhrantaha. Bhrantaha, you can take it as a distracted. Bhrantaha kaschana balaha. The boy, one who is distracted, Patashala gamana velayam, at the time of going to the school, Kriditum nirjagama. Instead of going to the school, he went for playing. Kintu tena saha kelibihi kalam ksheptum tada kopina vayasyeshu upalabhyamana asit. But when he went during the class hours to play, but he has seen that vayasyaha, very important, vayasya means friend. Among his friend, nobody was ready to kill the time when the classes were on. Yataste sarvepi पूर्वदिन पाठान् स्मृत्वा विद्यालय गमनाय त्वरमाणा बभूवुः. Why? Because all his friends thought about the previous day's class and they were rushing towards the school to learn better. Tandralur balo lajjaya tesham drushtipatamapि pariharan ekaki kimapyudhyanam pravivesha. Tandraluhu, such a lazy boy. This lazy boy felt ashamed that all boys are going to the school. So, just missing their sight, he went to one of the garden. Kimapi udyanam pravivesha. He went to a garden. Sa chintayamasa. He thought that viramantyete varakaha pustakadasaha. Let all these idiots, varakaha means idiots, let all these idiots go, leave me, viramantu, let them leave me. Pustaka dasaha, they are the servants of the book. That means book bugs. They are the book bugs. All my friends are the book bugs. Let them leave me alone. Aham punaratmanam vinodayishyami. So I will make myself happy. I know how to make myself happy. Nanu bhuyo drakshami kruddhasya upadhyayasya mukham. I will never see the teacher's face who was angry with me. I will never see my teacher's face who was angry with me. Santvete nishkutavasinaha eva praninaha mama vayasyaha. Let these animals, nishkutavasinaha, nishkuta, which are living in the nests, these animals and birds who are living in the nest, let them become my friends. So, today lesson we learnt that there was a boy. When all the boys were going to the school, instead of going to the school, he went for play. All the other friends were remembering about the previous day's class and rushing to the school to study better. And this boy, he thought that ashamed that all his friends are going to the school, and instead of going with them, he entered one of the garden. And in the garden, he was scolding his own friends, as all my friends are idiots. They are the book bugs. They are always busy in studying the books. And I know how to make myself happy, because I am here to live happily and I will make myself happy. Thinking like that, he entered the garden. And he tells that he never wants to see his teacher's face, because teacher was very angry with him, and he wants, as he finds nobody with him to play, he finds that let these birds who are living in the nests, let them become my friends. Does he get friends? Does he play? We will see in the next class. Bhavatu Shubhadinam, Bhavatu Anudinam.